So this is my front passenger door card. I've got it off at the moment just because I'm replacing the electric window regulator. But while it's off, I'm going to give it a really good detail. As you can see, it's not too bad, but if you look close, it's pretty dirty, and probably as most cars, down in the little pocket down there, a whole lot of dust and a bit of dirt and grime. So try and get that out. One annoying thing about this, one of the few flaws in my interior, is this little scratch here. Doesn't really show up too much on the camera, but it's just annoying. And so I might try and replace that. It's just funny how these are actually attached. It's like they're just got a melted bit of plastic on the all around. So maybe I can go to Wreckers and get a replacement on and a pop rivet there, something. But yeah, we'll see. So I've just given it a quick wipe with a wet cloth to just get rid of all the dust and just the surface dirt. But to really get into it, got this interior detailing spray from the legends at Smooth As Detailing. Watch them on YouTube after this video if you want. But so just get into the grain. Just going to get a bit of a spray and then really just brush it in just with a brush. It'll get into the grain of the door card. And then just wipe it off after that. Let's see, it's so much cleaner. If you get up close, you'll be able to get all the dirt out of that really fine grain. If you look here, all the dirt deep down in the fine grain, whereas the bit that I've cleaned is just beautifully clean. And also a bonus, it smells nice too. Oh, it's so satisfying. And there we are, looking heaps better. I might even go as far as wet vacuuming the carpet and the fabric pieces when I bust out the wet vac for the rest of the car, but that's looking heaps better and smelling a lot better too.